Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can file taxes from Robinhood. So let's get started. First, you'll need to go to the Robinhood Tax Center. To get there, open your Robinhood account and click on the Account drop-down menu. Scroll about halfway down, and you'll see an option called Tax Center. Keep in mind that it's not under Reports and Statements, it has its own separate section. Once you open the Tax Center, you'll see a list of your tax documents organized by year. You can use the drop-down menu at the top to choose which year you want to view. If you don't see any tax forms for a specific year, it could mean they're not available yet. In that case, you can check back later or view the documents from previous years instead. Inside the Tax Center, you'll find all the forms related to your activity, such as Form 1099 or Consolidated Transaction Statements. The exact forms you see will depend on what kind of trading or investments you've done with your account. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.